In this video, we are going to see how we can remove the background from any picture perfectly just by using a simple prompt. So although we have tested this feature in Gemini earlier as well, but this time I will provide you a complete prompt that will work in any situation. So let's go to Gemini and click on upload files. And here we just need to choose the picture. I'll just choose mine. And in the prompt, I'll paste something like this. You will get this with the description of this video. So let's process this and let's see the result. So you can see that how perfectly it has curved through the edges and perfectly removed the background. Let's click on download, and now you can zoom through it to see how perfectly it has removed the background from all of the edges as well. So that's how you can use this command to perfectly remove the background from any picture using Nano Banana. To try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.